5 body language tips for you that you can keep an eye on. These are ways to understand how somebody feels by watching their body language. The first is that if somebody, when you walk into their office, has their arms up like this or puts them up like that, initially you may think that means, oh, they're relaxed. Actually, what it is they're threatened by you. If you walk into somebody's office and they're just sitting there, and then you suddenly see them go like that, it means they're feeling a little bit insecure. The human body wants to appear larger than we actually are when we're feeling insecure. So sometimes you'll see people do that. That's actually a sign that they're feeling a little threatened by you or a little insecure about what they're doing. Second tip is watch people's pupils. The more dilated they are, the larger they are, that will give you a signal that they're actually interested in what you're saying. So if you see people who have large pupils, that means they're interested. If they have smaller pupils, that means they're not. Now you have to factor in sunlight and how bright the room is and everything like that on that. But when you factor that in and then notice the pupils are enlarged, that means they're actually interested in what you're talking about. By the way, my name is Jamie Turner. These are the Unspoken Rules of Leadership. I go around the globe talking about subjects like this to conferences and corporations to help them improve performance of their employees. Let's keep going. Tip number 3 is to watch people's feet. If somebody's lying to you, they will often be able, if they're a good liar, and I'm the world's worst liar, by the way, if they're a good liar, then they'll control their upper body, but they will not necessarily remember to control their lower body. So sometimes the feet gives people away. If they get fidgety or moving around or rocking, that means they're not comfortable with what they're saying, and subconsciously they're aware that they're lying. The fourth thing is mirroring. If you want to have somebody feel comfortable with what you're saying, mirror their posture, their behaviors, their style, even the tempo of their speech and the volume of their speech. By doing that, you're going to end up being able to kind of figure out how to make them feel comfortable with you, because they'll see a mirror image of themselves. The last one, number 5, is if you want to improve your memory, if you're sitting around trying to figure out how do I remember things in a lecture hall, and by the way, I teach at Emory University in the University of Texas, if you actually open up your body and don't have it closed off, there's studies that show that gives you a 38% better memory of what the person is saying that you're listening to the lecture for. So remember that opening up your own body stance is actually proven scientifically to improve your memory. If you like tips like these, leave a comment below or give me the thumbs up. My name is Jamie Turner, and these are the Unspoken Rules of Leadership.